In this lesson, let's learn more about translations in the coordinate plane. We are supposed to find the coordinates for the image, which is the after image of a triangle, after the points have been translated, using the translation x and y got translated to x plus 2 and y minus 1. It's a translation, which means it's a lateral movement. Okay, so the way we do this is, let's take the triangle, and we are given the triangle here, right? A, B, and C. Let's first find the coordinates for A, B, and C, right? So what is A? The coordinates of A are x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the negative axis, so it's negative 4. And the y coordinates are 1 and 2. B, the coordinates are negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And the coordinates of C are negative 1 and positive 1. Right? These are the original coordinates. If we have translated all of these, if it's a translation, that means we move them to exactly the same distance. All 3 points are moved the exact same distance. So the way to do this is we take the original value, right, which is x, and then add 2 to it, right? So minus 4 becomes minus 4 plus 2. Minus 3 became minus 3 plus 2, because that's what we're supposed to do, right? X went from x to x plus 2. And this went from negative 1 to negative 1 plus 2, right? The y coordinate was 2, and what we had to do was subtract 1 from it. Here the y coordinate was 4, we subtracted 1 from it. Here the y coordinate was 1, we subtracted 1 from it, because that's what we're supposed to do. Notice all we did was I learned the rule, x can now be changed to x plus 2. So whatever value of x existed, we add 2 to it. Whatever value existed, we add 2 to it to get the new coordinate. And whatever value of y existed, we take away 1 from it. That's what we've done, right? So let's figure out what the new coordinates are. So A prime, A went to A prime, right? So A prime becomes negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. B prime is negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3. And C prime is negative 1 plus 2 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So now, let's plot these. A prime is negative 2 and 1. Negative 2 and 1. So this is A prime. B prime is negative 1 and 3. 2, 3. This is B prime. And C prime is 1 and 0. So it is 1 and 0. So if I join them, right, this is my image. This is the image. Right? Notice it's a translation. B went to B prime, A went to A prime, C went to C prime. If I was to draw lines connecting B and B prime, A and A prime, and C and C prime, all heading in the same direction at the same length.